I've cured my hiccups. Can I say what it is?
Yes, please.
Right, OK, Tim, who works here, taught me. You hold your nose.
Right.
And just do it for me. Quickly.
No.
OK, just pour me some water, quickly.
I'll do it. Well,
Right, OK, right, do this.
Hold your nose.
Hang on.
what am I drinking?
And your
Am I
ears.
drinking this?
And now you give me the water. Supposed to be slowly. It works.
Okay, well, brilliant.
You're going to hold your ears, hold your nose.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Cal.
Guys,
Yeah.
I heard that it was your birthday this week, right?
Now here on The Xtra Factor, we love a birthday. I mean, you've got the candles, the cake, the butlers in the buff.
My balloons that Cheryl got me, she got me a balloon. And Simon got me literally a gallon of champagne.
Well, listen,
joke.
now, Butler in the
Briley
Buff.
got me cupcakes.
Well, speaking of Butler in the Buff,
That
that's
he did
very
put
nice,
that
Rita.
I'm
But we have trumped them. I'm sorry. We
Okay.
did get you a Butler in the Buff.
right.
Bring him on. It's Rita's birthday. Melvin's so angry.
Can you look at what's on that cake,
That means
Rita?
nothing to me.
What's on the cake? Oh, gorgeous!
Oh, my goodness.
Made that by hand.
Carnage, right.
That is
It was a lovely cake.
keep
It was
the
a
guy.
lovely cake. Rita, enjoy him, enjoy the cake. Everyone, it's your judges, everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you want to make sure to catch all the latest X Factor videos, don't forget to subscribe.